Hey, greetings and welcome to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comments section for any assistance with the labs, social media, as well as a link to the lab will be posted in the video description. So today we're looking at cluster tables in BigQuery, and the only really useful step I see here is just that we there's more types, right? It's a step of our partitioning. There's more data types we could cluster upon. And it's very good when you want to use filter statements in your SQL or you want to use aggregate functions in your SQL. So let's get started with this lab. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and download, install the dev dependencies and run the front end and the back end. And once that's ready, you're ready to start the lab. So what we have here, we could use SQL to create a cluster table. However, this is Python and we're going to be using the Python SDK. What's going to happen, I'm just going to go ahead and create a cluster table like so. Right, so all we're going to do is we're going to create a custom table from the query, right? Just provide the table name like so. Right, and since I skipped most part of the labs, right, I need an if statement here. That's the error, right? I'm gonna go ahead and try to connect the table. Right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and refresh. Right, and if you want to see the details, right, you could see that we're the cluster by, right? We could see that it doesn't indicate that it's a cluster table as much as Bigquery likes to tell us. It immediately it's a partition table, but here's that is the difference. However, you know, I'm expecting improvement when I work with cluster tables, from working with SQL with cluster tables. However, I actually kind of tested this out and I have two queries here like so, and it seems that on dry runs, like the same amount of processing is done. And I just want to show you through the queries that I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and run like so. And just make sure that I changed up the environment. Good. Right, so that query processes 379, about 3 megabytes. And then, right, so this is like the original table that's not clustered, I believe. Actually, you know, that's interesting. Let me go ahead and check if that table is actually clustered or not. All right, so let's head over to samples. Let me see if that is the case. Samples, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a large data set. All right, and then it's going to be very, very interesting. Right, and so this table wasn't clustered. However, we still got 3 megabytes to be processed. And if we go ahead again and you see count is that aggregate function there. That's interesting. Right. I think I used the wrong table. Yeah, I used the wrong table name for sure, Tarami. Right. To spell it correctly. A-M-I. Right, good. That table should be working. Right. We kind of see that the query ends up processing the same like that. Right, so definitely reach out to me in the comments if I'm using the concept of clustering tables the wrong way. But other than that, cluster tables are really the same as partition tables, right? You can use partitioning on cluster tables, and vice versa. And most of the things are the same as a regular table with a cluster table. The thing with partition and cluster tables is just performance. However, please reach out to me in the comments because I might just be missing the concept of cluster tables. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, reach out to me in the comments section. Especially, I need the help because I must be missing a concept about cluster tables. Social media as well as our lab will be posted in the video description. Thanks for watching.